Hello, we are at 1605 Clay Street, apartment 8. This is a 1-bedroom apartment with original wood floors throughout. Here we are coming in the front door of the apartment. It opens into the open concept floor plan, living room and kitchen. Okay. Nice soft neutral gray color on the walls, fresh paint job. There's the heater, breaker box, in-unit laundry. Got a beautiful updated kitchen. All white kitchen, white cabinets, white subway tile, white appliances, European style fridge. We have a glass top electric stove oven, microwave, dishwasher, disposal. We're installing a brand new farm style sink here in the unit, double sink, so please excuse our temporary construction tape there. Right. Got a nice updated bathroom. Also has the same white subway tile. Also have endless on-demand hot water here in this apartment, in that cabinet. All right, and a rain shower head here in the shower. Alrighty, coming into the bedroom. Nice light here in the bedroom. I'd say this bedroom would fit a full-size bed best. Okay, huge double closet, heater for the room, for the bedroom, and nice big closet here. Also a ledge up on top of the closet and another place to stash things. Okay, so that is a quick look at the apartment. Please don't apply based on the video alone. We do want you to come see the apartment in person and then apply if interested, okay? This is 1605 Clay, apartment 8. Thanks for watching.